Would you hold up your bright red purse and like drink it like out of the side of it? Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Yeah, it is midnight, my dudes. And we're going to be getting into two boxes actually. One's like a regular type box and one is, it's not. I don't know what's in it. Very excited to find out. I don't think I've been this curious about what is inside a box in quite some time, so I'm really excited to go ahead and get on into this. Today's video has been sponsored by FabFitFun. I've been working with them for a while and they are super awesome. If you guys do not know, FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription box that is shipped to you 4 times a year, and inside they have all sorts of full-size beauty, lifestyle, fashion, wellness products. Each of the boxes are $49.99, but they do hold over $200 worth of value inside of the box. And if you're interested in the subscription, you can get your very first box for $10 off if you use my code Add-ons. Speaking of add-ons, FabFitFun has just opened their fall add-on sale, which makes me so excited just to hear anything related to fall. These add-on sales are a members only event where you can get a lot of amazing full-size products on like super discount. If you are already a member, you can upgrade to an annual subscription so you can get first access to these add-ons, which is really cool because they do tend to sell out very quickly. So what we're going to be doing today is giving you guys a little preview of some of the mini items that are available on the fall add-on sale. And yeah, very excited about this. As I always do with these videos, we are also going to be doing a little giveaway because I know that I'm not going to need everything in this giant box. I would love for you guys to get some of it. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am so sorry. I just remembered my last giveaway. I forgot to announce the winner. I'm so sorry. I apologize deeply and greatly. Oh, I'm the worst. Yes, I'm gonna go ahead and as soon as I'm done filming this, I'm gonna randomly select the winner and that will be posted. I am so sorry. Wow, why is my memory so bad? Anyway, sorry about that. If that ever happens again, feel free to like message me and be like, hey, just what are you doing? Do something about this. Anyway, so sorry, so very sorry. I do hope you guys can forgive me, but let's go ahead and get on into this box right here. It seems like it's pretty cram-packed full of stuff, so very excited to see what's inside. Ooh la la, there's a lot of stuff in here. Ooh, okay, so the very first item in here is my favorite color scheme, black and white. This is so cute. So we have a little like backpack here, which is actually going to be fantastic for me. I am going to Europe soon, which I'm crazy excited about that, and I really wanted like a little kind of cloth backpack to carry around with me for like waters and things like that, so this would be fantastic. It has a cute little like houndstooth pattern, but it's like laid out in like a, what is this called? Plaid. Very excited about this. It feels like good quality. Can't wait to carry it and hopefully not break stuff with it. Next up here, we have 3 little canisters, and I think these are spices. That's super cute. Wait a second. They're magnetic. So these spices and seasonings are from Gotas Vitae. We have a turkey burger seasoning, a Montreal steak seasoning, and a taste of California seasoning. I'm pretty excited about these because I am going to be moving soon. I'm going to be redoing my kitchen and stuff, so these will look really cute, like magnetized to something. And yes, I am going to taste one of these, even though they're just seasonings, but I feel like I have to. I'm very interested in seeing what California tastes like, so let's give this a go. I was once dared to eat an entire tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and that's one of the worst things I've ever done, so I'm not really sure why I'm doing this, but I'm too interested not to. Oregano. There's literally not a single bit of oregano in here. So this is dried strawberries, which that is fascinating. I wonder if I could pluck one of those out. I got a dried strawberry. That's actually good. Lemon peel, thyme, and cilantro. That's a very nice mix, very herbaceous and like refreshing almost. All right, next up here we have something from Saturday Skin. I feel like the outer packaging of this is really cute. This is the Rise and Shine Gentle Cleanser, and I believe this is something that I'm going to be including in the giveaway if you guys are interested. Carrot butter. Why is that so fun sounding to me? Okay, so the next thing we have is the Organic Pharmacy Cleanser Carrot Butter. That's a new one for me. This is supposed to give you clean, glowing skin for all skin types. Is it orange? Oh, kind of. It's a little bit yellow. I gotta smell if it smells like carrots. No, it doesn't, not at all. That is very unique to me. I have never heard of carrot butter before. Ooh, okay. Next up here we have something from Bio Elements. This is a sensitive eye smoother. It's supposed to strengthen, brighten, and depuff. Oh, I love it when things come with just tiny little spoons. I think that's so cute. This is also in a very pretty little tub. I really like that color. This has a safety seal around it, and I think I'm going to keep that on there because I'm probably going to include this in the giveaway as well. Ooh, okay, this this I'm really excited about. This is from Briogeo, which I've had many things from the brand before, but this is an organic Australian 100% tea tree oil, and I've recently been wanting to try tea tree oil again for my hair. I have a lot of problems with hair loss, and I've heard that some people say that tea tree oil can actually like stimulate hair growth. I keep feeling like there's California seasoning like in my mouth. So it comes in a little cute bottle like this, and it says that you're supposed to dilute the oil with water or carrier oil before applying, which is good to know. Oh, yep, super tea tree-y. I'm definitely going to be giving this a try. Pretty excited about that. Oh, okay, so next up we have something a little bit interesting. This is a Wraps wristband headphone. That's a new one for me. So it appears that the headphone itself is like on some type of maybe stretchy cord, and you can wrap it around your wrist. It's like a braided fabric. I think this is also going to be included in the giveaway as well. Please, if you win this giveaway, let me know how these work because that's super fascinating. Next up here we have something from Taylor and Tessier. It says Aspen on it there. I really like the color of this box. It's a nice coral. Ooh, it's also magnetized. How fancy. Oh, and the inside's fancy too. Just ignore that. So on the inside here, we have a super adorable little like leather bracelet. It has like really pretty little delicate gold detailing on it and a gold buckle here on the back as well. I wonder if I could cram my big old hand in there without having to undo it. Oh, that might have been a bad idea. I was thinking it might be a little bit difficult to undo the belt and put it back on with these press-on nails, but I think this is a bit more of an issue. Oh my gosh, I didn't even realize how red my hand was getting. I really did for a second think I was good and stuck though. Ooh, there we go, got it on. I think this is really cute. It's a very simplistic style, a little bit almost like rusticy with the leather, but the like gold piece there makes it really pretty. Alright, so next up here we have some adorable little cards. It says happy birthday to you, and there's a super cute little puppy on the front. He actually looks like a gold charm or something maybe. Oh, and then on the back it says oh dear, which is one of my catchphrases. I typically say it every time I drop something or break something, which is it's often. Oh my gosh! These are adorable. Okay, so it's not just a little puppy. Oh my god. Oh dear. Anyway, it's not just a little puppy. We have two others here with the little charms on them. So we have a flamingo and a unicorn, and I think these are actually pins. Yes, they are, so you can take them off and have a little pin. I think these are really cute. I think I might give this one to my mom for her birthday, which is coming up in August. She loves pink flamingos, so I think she'd really like that. Okie dokie. Next up here, it looks like we have maybe a little wallet, but it's kind of fun and leopard print. I think this is really cute as well. I like that red interior. This is from Amy Kintensberg. It's just kind of impressed there in the front. You can't really see it too well. I think this is absolutely adorable. Alright, so next up here we have something from Juice Beauty. This is the Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Overnight Cream, which I'm actually kind of excited about. I've ran out of all of my LMS cream, which I love so much, but it's just so expensive. So this is what the outer packaging looks like. It's a really nice container. And then on the inside, it's just like a super thick looking cream, which smells pretty good. Alrighty, moving right along, we have something from Mon Shampooing. This is a nourishing mask with keratin and goji berry for all hair types, enriched with fig and flower scent. Ooh, that looks really nice. I feel like this is probably really fancy and expensive. I don't know if that's just because it says Paris on the front, and I just feel like things from Paris are fancy and expensive, but that is quite a big honkin' thing of hair treatment there. Wow, that's really nice. I think I'll include this in the giveaway as well. I feel like since it's for all hair types, whoever gets it will really enjoy it. Oh, how cute! Okay, so next here we have something from Vintage Cosmetics, and this is an inflatable bath pillow, and oh boy do I love baths. I could literally sit in a bathtub for hours and be happy. I'll set up my little laptop and watch Netflix while sitting in the bathtub. I have no outlets in my bathroom, but I will literally run kind of an extension cordy thing. It sounds like I'm about to get electrocuted. I'll run an extension cord from the hallway under the door into the bathroom, set up my laptop, and watch Stranger Things for like 7 hours and sit in the bathtub. Anyway, so this is absolutely adorable. It's a little bath pillow that you can blow up and like put behind your head as you're bathing. Alright, so next up here we have something from Celepidermy. This is a daily green protection cleansing water. Ooh. I absolutely love micellar water. If you use it with like a magic eraser, I'm sorry, I meant makeup eraser. Please don't put magic erasers on your face. If you use micellar water with a makeup eraser, your makeup comes off like lickety-split so fast. The next item I have here is from Revitalash Cosmetics. This is the Aqua Blur Hydrating Eye Gel and Primer. Oh, that sounds really cool. It says this is supposed to hydrate and condition while blurring imperfections under the eyes, so that sounds super, super nice. It's all nicely wrapped up, and I think this is going to be great for the giveaway. Moving right along, I really am wanting to get to this box over here just because I've been so curious about what's inside of it. I have multiple guesses. None of them I'm sure are right, because they wouldn't make any sense, but I can't wait to actually see what's inside. Alright, so the next item we have here is from Milk Makeup, and I don't think I've ever actually tried a full-size Milk Makeup product before. I think I've maybe tested out a couple like little blurring sticks or something, but this is a holographic stick, so it's like a highlighter, but it's supposed to be like holographic. And it's super, super pretty like lavender shade. I really like the outer packaging of this as well. I think this is super cute, and I'm sure one of you guys would absolutely love this. I think I'm gonna include this in the giveaway as well. Huh? Okay, so the next item we have here is from Cloud9, and it says, say goodbye to cramps. Oh, don't tease me that way. I hope this is real. Okay, so apparently this says it is pre-blended with jojoba oil to roll on smoothly and get rid of cramps. You're supposed to put this on your abdomen, wrist, or chest in circular motions. Relax, take a few deep breaths, and let it work its magic. I can't even express how much I hope this is actually true, because I have some of the worst cramps ever, like to the point of I've passed out before, getting sick, like really, really intense, terrible cramps. So this I am incredibly excited about. I used to toss back 800 milligram ibuprofen when I was younger like they were M&Ms, because doctors would prescribe them to me for like my cramping and my pain in my stomach. Then I realized, oh, that's not a good idea. So this seems like it would be a little more safe, and very excited to try this out. Oh, goat milk. Okay, so next up here we have something from Kate Somerville. This is a goat milk moisturizing cleanser. That sounds really nice. I like goat milk soaps and things like that, so I'm assuming this would be really, really nice. Also like that pale purple packaging. Cleansers are always fantastic to have. I have a few Kate Somerville cleansers and they are really nice, but I do think I'm going to pass this one along so you guys can try it out. These last two items here are actually things that you can get for free if you make a $15 purchase. So we have chickpea rotini, which just makes me hungry looking at it, but it's like 12:30 a.m. so maybe I shouldn't make pasta, but then again, maybe I should. Then we also have this little thing from Mint Mobile, which includes 3 months of service in here, so those are interesting add-ons. Then the last thing in this box here, we have like a full purse. I was holding on to this for the very last thing. Wow, okay, so this is quite a bright purse. It's like very, very red. Oh my. Oh, my mom's gonna love this. She'll at least think it's funny. Okay, upon further inspection here, this caught my eye. This is a wine purse. This is a purse that you put wine in. The Porto Vino wine purse. Bring the party along with a sophisticated Portofino wine purse. Wow. That's truly remarkable. Okay, so there's like a little secret flap down here, and there's like a hole that goes inside of the purse, but how do you actually get it out? This is actually like just kind of a cute purse though. On the inside it's like lined with polka dots and stuff. Like it's pretty adorable, and it's also functional. Well, I mean, I guess purses are functional to begin with, but this has an extra secret function. Could I just like take this to breakfast restaurants and fill it with orange juice? Do you know how expensive orange juice is when you go out to breakfast? It's not often I go out to breakfast, and it's also not often that I order orange juice because it's so expensive. A lot of those you don't even get refills. You know how badly I want to fill up this little bag with this old coffee and try to drink it out of the side of this purse? Okay, I fully contemplated doing on that for like quite some time, and I still kind of want to, but I figure if I give this purse away to like my mom or something, I wouldn't want it to taste like coffee. That would ruin her wine drinking experience. My only next question is, if you're trying to be super secretive, one, this is a bright red purse, but two, if you're being very secretive about like where you're bringing your wine to, would you carry wine glasses inside of this to where you're just like kind of at the concert or something and you're like, ooh, or would you hold up your bright red purse and like drink it like like out of the side of it. Because both I don't think are very secret. Either way, I think this is great. I think this is so much fun. This is hilarious. I really do want to fill this up with something and like take it to the movies and start drinking out of the side of my purse. That's the best function for it. That's it right there. That's how I'm gonna use this. You gotta sneak in your drinks to the movies. You can put your popcorn and candy straight inside of here. This is a movie bag. All right, you guys, we still have one last thing left and I can finally show you the box that I've been talking about this whole time. And here it is. Just a little more. Just a tiny, oh, keep going. Just maybe a little bit more. Oh, so it's a tiny bit more. Oh, and there we go. So, I don't know. The only thing I could think of would be like a broom, like Harry Potter or something. Maybe like a 6-foot long sub sandwich. Mop? It's just, I have no idea. So let's go ahead and finally cure the curiosity and get into this box. Oh, my arm won't reach it. I feel like Mary Poppins. I have no idea what I'm about to pull out of here. Oh! Mary Poppins was actually a very apt analogy because it's an umbrella. Look how cute this is. So this little umbrella here is from Certain Standard. It's such a pretty color and I like this blue band that goes around it. Also, the handle is cork, which I think is super cool. And wow, what do you know? It's giving me permission to open it inside. It says open indoors for good luck. I know this goes against like hundreds of years of superstition, but we're gonna go ahead and do it. Oh my gosh, what if it just caught on fire? Oh my gosh. So here is the umbrella. You can't see it at all. There we go. Here's the umbrella. There is just like one little piece here of like white detail on it, which is pretty cute. It is quite, oh my lord, please don't catch on fire. It is quite a large umbrella and I like that the edges are just like ever so slightly scalloped. I think that's really cute. I'm gonna close this before I burn down my whole house. But wow, my curiosity was finally settled. It's an umbrella. Literally, that didn't even cross my mind. Alright, you guys, so that was a preview for some of the mini items that are gonna be on the add-on sale. Don't forget, if you would like to sign up for FabFitFun and receive your very first box, you can get $10 off with the code add-ons. Also, don't forget that we will be having a giveaway and I will also not forget that we're having a giveaway again. So sorry about that. All you have to do to enter the giveaway is be subscribed to this channel, leave a comment down below letting me know your favorite item from the add-on sale, and then also a way to contact you. That could be an Instagram, an email, whatever you want. And then just make sure you're 18 years of age or older, a parent or guardian permission, so me, a stranger on the internet, can contact you and get your address. Anyway, that is everything I have for you guys today, so just thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me, and I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!